Hi students, welcome to NSR IIT and NEET Academy. This is the fifth session of Circle for Senior Inter students. So in this session also we are going to solve some 2 marks questions. So next 2 marks question is find the center and radius of this circle equation. So here given under root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So here x square plus y square coefficient is root 1 plus m square. So you make it x square and y square coefficient equal to 1. So divide this equation 1 with the root 1 plus m square. So equation 1 divide with the root 1 plus m square. Why here dividing with the root 1 plus m square? Because x square and y square coefficient make it 1. So divide with root 1 plus m square. Here root 1 plus m square get cancelled. We get here x square plus y square minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square into x minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square into y equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. So equation 2 compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. So it's a general form of circle equation. Now here x coefficient 2g, here x coefficient is minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square. Now compare this equation, we get 2g is equal to minus 2c by under root of 1 plus m square and 2f equal to minus 2mc by under root of 1 plus m square and c equal to 0. Now both sides 2 get cancelled, g is equal to minus c by under root of 1 plus m square. So this is g value. Next here also both sides 2 get cancelled, f is equal to minus mc by under root of 1 plus m square, c equal to 0. So we get g value, f value and c value. So what is the center of circle? Minus g comma minus f. Now already here g value minus c by under root of 1 plus m square. Now minus g means minus of minus plus c by under root of 1 plus m square, and here minus into minus plus mc by under root of 1 plus m square. So this is center of the circle. Next find radius of the circle equation. So what is the formula of radius of circle equation? So already we discussed in previous sessions. So r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Now r is equal to under root of, so g square, square both numerator and denominator. So minus c square is c square by, so root 1 plus m square square is square root get cancelled. Here we get 1 plus m square. Next f square. So minus become here plus m square c square by 1 plus m square minus c value 0. Now r is equal to, here LCM is 1 plus m square. So we get c square plus m square c square by 1 plus m square. Now here numerator take it as common c square. So we get 1 plus m square, c square into 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square. Now 1 plus m square get cancelled, r is equal to under root of c square. Now square root get cancelled, so r is equal to c. Now center of the circle is c by under root of 1 plus m square, mc by under root of 1 plus m square, and radius r is equal to c. So this is very important question, practice in rough notes. So next question number 3. Find the equation of the circle passing through the point with the center. So the circle is passing through one point. So this circle is passing through one point P, here given point P 5 comma 6 and also given center of the circle. So here center of the circle is minus 1 comma 2. So here given the circle passing through one point and also given center of the circle, find the equation of this circle. If you want to find circle equation, we must have center and radius, but in our question we have only center, here not mentioned any radius value. So but this circle passing through the point 5 comma 6, now the distance between this CP is equal to radius. So first find radius. So here radius is equal to CP distance. Now apply here distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now under root of, so x1 y1 x2 y2, so x2 minus x1, 5 minus of minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square, now equal to under root of 5 minus of minus 1 plus 1, so 5 plus 1 6, so here 6 minus 2 4 square, so 5 plus 1 6 square 36 and 4 square is 16. Now under root of 36 plus 16 52. So this is radius r is equal to square root of 52. So already we have center. So given here center, given C minus 1 comma 2. Now we get radius and also we have center. Now circle equation. So if we have center and radius, so here apply standard form of circle equation. Now circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So here minus 1 comma 2 is h comma k. Now substitute the values here, x minus of minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square, square root of 52 whole square. Now x minus of minus 1 plus 1, so y minus 2 whole square is equal to, so here square root get cancelled, so we get here 52. So apply here a plus b whole square, x square plus 1 square plus 2 into x into 1, next here a minus b whole square, y square plus 2 square minus 2 into y into 2 and 52 move this side, it become minus 52 equal to 0. Now write x square plus 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2 into x 2x plus y square plus 2 square value 4, 2 to the 4 into y 4y minus 52 equal to 0. Now write x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y, 1 plus 4 5, 5 minus 52 minus 47 equal to 0. So this is our circle equation. So here given point and center, so by using point and center, first find the radius of the circle. So after getting radius, by using center and radius, write here standard form of circle equation, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So substitute the values, we get circle equation. So next find the equation of the circle passing through 2 comma 3 and concentric with the circle x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. So before solve this question, what is the definition of concentric circles? So concentric circle means 2 or more circles having same center with different radii. So the center is same and radius is different. So then that circles are called concentric circles. So here given find the equation of the circle, it is passing through, so this is circle and it is passing through 2 comma 3 and concentric with another circle. So here given this circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. So center is same. So if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 circle concentric with another circle, then that circle equation become x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus k equal to 0. Now this concentric circle equation become x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus k equal to 0. Right here given x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So concentric circle equation of equation 1. Concentric circle equation of equation 1 is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus k equal to 0. So take it as this is equation number 2. Now this concentric circle passing through here one point, that is 2, 3. Now write here equation 2 passing through, equation 2 passing through 2, 3. Now in place of x substitute 2, in place of y substitute 3. So here 2 square plus 3 square plus 8 into 2 plus 12 into 3 plus k equal to 0. Now 2 square value 4, 3 square value 9, 8 2 is 16, 12 3 is 36 plus k equal to 0. Now add this all values. 16 plus 9, 25 plus 4, 29. Next here 35 plus 30, 65. Now 65 plus k equal to 0. Now here k equal to minus 65. So we get k value. Now k value substitute in equation 2. So substitute in equation 2, we get x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y minus 65 equal to 0. So this is concentric circle equation. So here given given circle equation. So and it is concentric circle passing through point 2, 3. So by using that point find k value. So we get concentric circle equation. So this is also important question. Now fifth question also similar to fourth question. So here also find concentric circle. So here concentric circle passing through the point minus 2, 14, and here given circle equation x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Now concentric circle equation become x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. Right. Given x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So write concentric circle equation of equation 1 is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus k equal to 0. So here constant value we have minus 12 or plus 12, just you consider here plus k equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. Now this concentric circle equation passing through the point minus 2, 14. So write here equation 2 passing through minus 2, 14. So substitute here minus 2 square, 14 square, 6 into minus 2, 4 into 14 plus k equal to 0. So minus 2 square 4, next 14 square, 14 square, 14, 14, 4 4 is 16, 5 1 4, so 196, 196 minus into minus plus 6 2 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 1 5 56 plus k equal to 0. So 196 plus 4 200 plus 12 212. So 212 minus 56, 212 minus 56 plus k equal to 0. Now subtract here, 212 minus 56, so 6, 10 minus 5, 5. So 156 plus 156 plus k equal to 0. Now k equal to minus 156. Now write k value, substitute in equation 2. So get this concentric circle equation, that is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 156 equal to 0. So this is our required concentric circle equation. So question number 6. So here given circle equation and also center, find a value, b value and r value. So given x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. Equation 1 compare with equation 1 compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now 2g is equal to a and 2f equal to b and c equal to minus 12. Now g is equal to a by 2 and f equal to b by 2. Now center is minus g comma minus f. So minus a by 2 minus b by 2. So this is center. So here given center of the circle is 2 comma 3. Now the center is equating 2 comma 3. So here given minus a by 2 comma minus b by 2. So this is center of given circle and also given here center is equal to 2 comma 3. Now equating x and y coordinates, so we get minus a by 2 is equal to 2 minus b by 2 equal to 3. So now 2 2s are 4, minus a equal to 4 minus b equal to 6. So here a equal to minus 4 and b equal to minus 6. So we get a value and b value. Next find radius. R means radius. So we know the formula r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. Now r is equal to under root of, so what is the value of g here? A by 2. So g square a square by 4 plus f square, f value b by 2, f square b square by 4 minus c minus 12, minus of minus 12. Now r is equal to square root of, what is the value of a? Minus 4. So a square minus 4 square 16. Next b value minus 6, 6 square 36 by 4 minus of minus 12 plus 12. Now cancel here, 4 4 is 16, 4 9 is 36. Now r is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 12. So 12 plus 4, 16 plus 9, 25. So square root of 25 is equal to 5. Now a value minus 4, b value minus 6 and radius is equal to 5. Next question number 7. Here also given circle equation and center, find f value, g value and r value. So here given x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0. So here in the form of general form of circle equation. So here directly center of circle is minus g comma minus f. So here given center of the circle given minus g comma minus f equal to 2 comma 3. Now equating x comma y coordinates. So minus g is equal to 2, g equal to minus 2. Minus f equal to 3 and f equal to minus 3. Now and here c value equal to minus 12. So you get f value, g value and c value. Now find radius r. So r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. Now under root of g square minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9, c minus of minus 12 plus 12. Under root of 12 plus 4, 16 plus 9, 25. Now r is equal to 5. So radius of given circle is 5 and f value minus 3, g value minus 2. So next question number 8. Here given circle equation and radius value, find small a value. So given x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So equation 1 compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now 2g is equal to minus 4, 2f equal to 6 and c equal to a. Now g is equal to minus 4 by 2, f equal to 6 by 2. Now g is equal to minus 4 by 2 minus 2, f value 3 and c value a. So here given radius, so we no need to find here center. So here given radius value, we have to find a value. So you know the formula of radius, r is equal to g square plus f square minus c. So here given radius is 4. Now 4 is equal to under root of g square minus 2 square, f square 3 square minus c value a. Now 4 is equal to square root of minus 2 square 4, 3 square 9 minus a. So 4 equal to square root of 9 plus 4, 13 minus a. So squaring on both sides to remove square root. Now squaring on both sides, 4 square equal to square root of 13 minus a whole square. Now 4 square 16 equal to square root get cancel 13 minus a. So a move this side, it become plus a equal to 13. So 16 become minus 16. So 13 minus 16 equal to minus 3. So a value is equal to minus 3. So here given radius, you will find here a value. So next question number 9, find the value of a if we are given circle equation. It represent a circle and also find radius r. So here given 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Take it as equation number 1. So equation 1 represents a circle equation. So equation 1 represent a circle equation, x square coefficient y square coefficient equal. So x square coefficient equal to y square coefficient. So here x square coefficient is 2 and y square coefficient is a, that is a is equal to 2. So we get a value. Now substitute here a value. So now equation 1 becomes 2x square 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. Now make it as here x square y square quotient 1. Now equation 2 divide with 2. Equation 2 divide with 2. Or directly we have a formula. If the circle equation in the form of ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now center is minus g by a comma minus f by a, and radius is g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. So we are using directly that formula also. So here divide with 2. So we get x square plus y square minus 3 by 2 into x plus y minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. So this is equation number 3. So equation 3 compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now 2g is equal to minus 3 by 2 and 2f equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1 by 2. Now g is equal to minus 3 by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 by 4 and f equal to 1 by 2, and this is c value. Now here find radius. So no need to find here center of the circle. Now we know the formula radius g square plus f square minus c. So under root of g square minus 3 by 4 whole square is 9 by 16 plus 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 minus of minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Now r is equal to, here LCM is 16, 9 plus, so 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 8 1s are 8 by 16. So 9 plus 4, 13 plus 8, 21. So root 21 by 16, so is equal to root 21 by root 16 value 4. Now radius of given circle is root 21 by 4. Next question number 10. Find the value of a comma b if the given circle equation represented is circle, and also find center and radius. So here given circle equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So equation 1 represents a circle. So equation 1 represents a circle. Now x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. So here x square coefficient a, y square coefficient 3, that is a equal to 3. Next xy coefficient is equal to 0. So here x square coefficient equal to y square coefficient and xy coefficient equal to 0, then the given equation become a circle equation. So if it represents circle equation, x square coefficient y square coefficient equal, we get a value, and xy coefficient equal to 0. Here xy coefficient b, that is b equal to 0. So we get a value and b value. AB value substitute in equation 1. Now equation 1 become AB substitute in equation 1. It becomes, so a value 3. So 3x square plus 0 into xy 0, 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Take it as equation number 2. So equation 2 compare with ax square ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Now 2g is equal to minus 5, 2f equal to 2 and c equal to minus 3, and here a value 3. Now g is equal to minus 5 by 2. This is g value, and here f equal to 2 by 2 1, and this is c value minus 3 and a value 3. Now if the circle equation in the form of ax square plus ay square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, now center is minus g by a comma minus f by a. So minus g, that is minus of minus plus 5 by 2 by a value is 3. Next minus f minus 1 by 3. So we get, so 2 3 is a 6. Now 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3. So this is center of the circle. Next radius under root of g square plus f square minus ac by mod a. So here root apply only g square f square minus ac. Now square root of g square minus 5 by 2 whole square 25 by 4 plus f square 1 minus a into c. So minus into minus plus 3 3 is a 9 by mod a, that is mod 3. Now r is equal to 9 plus 1 10, 10 4 is a 40. So root 25 plus 40 by root 4 value 2 by mod 3 value 3. So 25 plus 40 root 65 by 2 3 is a 6. Now this is radius value. Now center is 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3 and radius is root 65 by 6. So this is about radius and center of the circle. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.